Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga, and today I have a quick practice that you can do every morning. It's about 5 minutes and really get you up and going with a couple simple postures. You don't need anything for this practice, but if you have blocks, those could be helpful. Hop on your mat and let's get started. I like to start my day in wide leg child's pose, either with the arms extended out, or if I'm feeling tight in the shoulders, I might bring my fingers in and bend the elbows, or bring a block underneath my head. We're going to breathe into this posture, noticing how we feel, seeing how you feel after sleeping, whether any areas are tight or tired, whether you slept well and have a lot of energy or sluggish. Just really breathe into the belly, allowing it to expand. And then short exhales out. So when we're trying to wind down, we increase the length of our exhale. But as we're gearing up this morning, inhale in, and then exhale short. Just really waking up the body. You might stretch the side body by walking the fingers to one side of the mat and then to the other side of the mat. Or you might just hold a static position in our child's pose, waking up the hips and the shoulders, as well as getting that nice length in the spine. When you're ready, walk the hands up towards the center of the mat. Curl your toes under and bring your feet out wide so that the feet are off the mat. And then you can bring your block underneath you here so that we're in squat on the block, or you can just be in squat in general. But bring the thumbs together at the sternum, here in prayer pose, feeling the length through the spine. Deep inhales in and short exhale out. Find a twist by bringing the fingers down to the mat, other fingers reach towards the sky. And switch. Leaving the hands on the mat, but coming up, turning the feet so that they're parallel. I'm going to turn here so you can see better. We're going to come into wide leg forward fold. So we're breathing here. You might use your block to hold on to. You might have your hands on the ground or on your knees. But really pressing out into the sides of your feet. And we might twist here as well, really waking up the spine and heating up the body with our gentle movements. Switching back and forth. And then turn the toes back out. Bend the knees and slowly roll up. And then bring the arms out into a cactus shape, really bending into the legs, and we're in goddess pose. Breathing here. Feeling the energy coming up through the mat and out through our fingers. Chest nice and open, eyes up, ready to face whatever the day brings. Straighten the knees, bring your hands to your hips, and repeat whatever your inspiration for the day is. So I am strong, I am full of energy, I can do this, whatever it is, repeat it to yourself. Take Take a deep inhale in and out. And you're ready for your day. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you did, let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to see more short classes like this, please let me know. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.